Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start to learn about arithmetic sequences and series, let me introduce myself first. My name is Septiani. I'm from Mathematics Education of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. UHAMKA University. I would like to present about arithmetic sequences and series.
Okay, this is my PowerPoint for arithmetic sequences and series. The subject from this, the first is arithmetic sequences. On that subject, I would like to describe an arithmetic sequences and with the example. And for the second subject is arithmetic series, I would like to describe an arithmetic series with the example too. The first is arithmetic sequences. The definition of arithmetic sequences is an arithmetic sequence is defined as a sequence in which there is a common difference between consecutive terms. There is the general form of an arithmetic sequence. First term is a sub 1, second term is a sub 2 equal a sub 1 plus d, third term is a sub 3 equal a sub 1 plus 2 times d, fourth term is a sub 4 equal a sub 1 plus 3 times d, fifth term is a sub 5 equal a sub 1 plus 4 times d, and the nth term is a sub n equal a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Formula for the nth term. The formula for the nth term is conclusion that general formula before. A sub n equal a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, whereas the a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the term number, and d is the common difference. The common difference is always the difference between any term and the term that precedes that term. Formula for the common difference. There is the sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, and 3 dots. 3 dots is meaning the to infinite. The common difference is 5 because 9 minus 4 is 5, 14 minus 9 is 5, 19 minus 14 is 5, 24 minus 19 is 5. Arithmetic series. The definition of arithmetic series is an arithmetic series is the sum of a sequence a sub k, where k is 1, 2, 3 dots, in which each term is computed from the previous one by adding or subtracting a constant d. Formula for the sum of the terms is sum of terms equal n open the brackets a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2, where s is sum, n is number of terms, a sub 1 is first term, and a sub n is last term. Substitute a sub n equal a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d from the arithmetic sequence formula before. So the final formula is s equal n open brackets to a sub 1 plus open brackets n minus 1 close bracket times d close bracket divided by 2. Conclusion. The difference between a sequence and a series is a sequence is a list and a list is paired by comma, whereas a series is a sum of we are adding up all the terms in that series. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So this is the example of arithmetic sequence. The first example is find an equation for general term of the given arithmetic sequence and use it to calculate its 100th term. The sequence is 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, and 3 dots. Solution. Begin by finding the common difference. D equal 10 minus 7 equal 3. So the common difference is 3. Note that difference between any two successive terms is 3. The sequence is indeed an arithmetic progression where a sub 1 equals 7 and d equals 3. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d equals 7 plus n minus 1 times 3 equals 7 plus 3 sub n minus 3 equals 3 sub n plus 4. Therefore, we can write the general term a sub n equals 3 sub n plus 4. Take a minute to verify that this equation describes the given sequence. Use this equation to find the 100 term. A sub 100 equal 3 times 100 plus 4 equal 300 plus 4 equal 304. The second example, find an equation for the general term of the given arithmetic sequence and use it to calculate its 75th term. The sequence is 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, and 3 dots. Begin to finding the common difference. D equal 4 minus 6 equal minus 2. The common difference of an arithmetic sequence may be negative. So next, find the formula for the general term. Here a sub 1 equals 6 and d equal minus 2. A sub n equal a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub 75 equals 6 plus 75 minus 1 times minus 2 equals 6 plus 74 times minus 2 equals 6 minus 148 equal minus 142. So the answer is minus 142. So this is the example from arithmetic series. Find the sum of the first 50 term of the given sequence for 9, 14, 19, and 24, and 3 dots. The solution. Determine whether or not there is common difference between the given terms. D equal 9 minus 4 is 5. Note that the difference between any two successive terms is 5. The sequence is indeed an arithmetic progression, and we can write a sub n equal a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub 50 equal 4 plus 50 minus 1 times 5 equal 4 plus 49 times 5 equal 4 plus 245 equal 249. Next, use the formula to determine the 50th partial sum of the given arithmetic sequence. Sum of n equal n times a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. Sum of 50 equal 50 times 4 plus 249 divided by 2 equal 25 times 253 equal 6,325. So the answer is sum of 50 equal 6,325. That's all from me. I hope you can understand what I mean. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you click thumbs up on below, you have been support me to my education. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.